Let's see how to use your iPhone internet on your MacBook Neo. For now, I'm using iPhone 17 and MacBook Neo, but pretty much same process for almost all model iPhones and MacBooks. So the thing is very simple. You just need one connecting cable. If your iPhone charging cable was USB-C, you need this USB-C to C charging cable. If your iPhone charging port was Lightning, you need this USB-C to Lightning charging cable. I'll give this cable link. If you want, you can buy from that. For me, it's iPhone 17, so it's USB-C. I'm going to use this USB-C to C charging cable. Take the one end of cable and directly connect this on your MacBook USB-C port. I usually go with this top port because when you refer the manual, here you can see the top port, external display and accessories and charging, but the second port was only accessories and charging. So it's better to use the top port for good connection without failure. I just connect like that. Okay, it's done. Now unlock your iPhone and connect this other end here. On your iPhone, just swipe down and click here and turn on the internet connection first, I mean the cellular data, and then you open settings app, personal hotspot, and turn on allow others to join and maximize capability, and here we go, it's done. Now you just click the Apple icon, system settings and network. So here you can see it's already connected. iPhone USB with green sign. It means now my MacBook has the internet connection. I just open Safari and Yahoo. So here you can see the Yahoo website. Okay, we got the internet connection. So because it's directly connected because I already turned off the Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi was already turned off. If I turn on, it will switch it to Wi-Fi in case if the Wi-Fi has internet connection. So this is the thing. So if you want to use the Wi-Fi means you just disconnect your iPhone internet and turn on the Wi-Fi. That's it. It's done. If you see the green color under the drive, this drive will give the internet connection to your MacBook. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about MacBook Neo, you need to watch this playlist.